life, they're not like, but Awal, you're free, you're day. In some okay, Awal, Kagum Niamco, you're free, you're day, you're restructuring.
Yeah, Kotoko, yeah. Strong restructuring of the club.
Restructuring.
Strong restructuring.
Strong restructuring.
Strong one.
Na ne pinkramo ya de.
Say no.
Football no.
Football no. Ekojaye. Football no kojaye. Because football no, there were 3 modules or aspects of football. There was the talent aspect of football. And you have the scientific aspect of football. And you have the business aspect of football.
Just 3. Talent, scientific, and the business.
Yeah, that's what talent.
Yeah, that's what talent.
Young scientific and business.
Business no. Wow, you see you.
And omo money owns me and no one.
What you might be is business, talent, scientific.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what talent.
Yeah, that's what talent.
Uncle.
And talent alone is not enough.
Talent alone is not enough.
It's not enough.
I know what I mean, oh Papa Alex Ferguson. The moment you paid farewell to discipline, that's the end of the road for you.
So, the team liberty me here. You hear structures are a person. How do we govern the club? Board of directors, management. After you had the financing module of the club. Saying that you club. Is it going to be said board of directors in this case?
Financial inflows.
Yes, and our supporters in this case. And now the hybrid need to say board for the every year. Nayeka the biggest sponsor of Kotoko supporters.
Yes.
The biggest sponsor. Kosinya Ntechi, former president of GFU. I say your ball league we na ye gate proceeds ebon. Kotoko nkwama 50% of the other clubs ni. So if you are able to restructure the club, you get omo football
no pan.
Get proper scout almost scatter across the whole country.
Yes.
Me and say Ashanti region akọ ni bobia obebo Kotoko.
Also Kotoko.
No one side making sure say club partnership with some other clubs. International. Ebi akọ bi pie na onimbo bobia obetimi ato.
Could develop yeah.
Ebi okọ obetimi alo ni o sakwa koji no ajiska. Ni nyina na club ba be shek sika ba be shek club. After we embark on sensitization of supporters at the PR park be
Bema. I no intentional.
Oh, like the problem among phone couple say we don't give people reason to go to the stadium.
You don't give the people reason.
Abetamwana or the biggest player within the Kotoko center, we on only Samba. Say Abetamwana Eko. Okay. Obi wa ebi Abetamwana Tino Kopan. Say what tournament?
Why?
Watching every club no on maybe. What you say?
Yeah,
so ye club ni ye Ghana football ye. And when you good partnership, what the Mamma example, because Senegal like this school, your team be friend generation foot.
Yeah, generation foot.
A honor na Sadio Mane Munina boy. Or more partnership with Mets.
Yes.
Mets in France. I could be quality on the Manako. And almost come with the mountain. And Aquanu so Kono develop near Cotona, club the best anya. Umfaso also. Pape Matasa or Tottenham. Munina, a product of a guy. Diafrasa Comunina. So Kotoko must make sure so but I was our partnership.
Yeah.
And beside that, Noah has said signing of players as I say a major policy. So back Kotoko na on signing 6 years.
Unsigned. Yeah.
6 years.
Yes, no. And see a Kobasana and no can avoid sa player exodus no. Because 6 years now was signed.
Africa, the name of the game is consistency. For a club to perform in Africa, the club must be consistent.
Yeah.
And now
sign for more years.
And now was was doing that.
Yes.
If it's been no more 5 years, 6 years.
Yes.
It's
Kotoko Awal ntwa no one say who command 2 years na sa onya offer obey na adwe say na me tenatena Awal so anamoko.
Okay, 2 years no it me ban say bia the first season on shele.
Oh so
maybe a second year no
ebe farmer
no na the contract ba na wie.
Na ebe na wie yeah. It was the point of say you go for inside 2 years.
So and also say betimi assign more years na say akatua financial standing of the club no so strong.
Yes strong.
Say the be betua players ni.
Yeah.
My friend, if you are not ready to pay players $10,000, $15,000, we should forget. We are not going anywhere.
10,000.
Yeah, that is we are.
Well, the yen shall say from maybe $2,000.
It's doable. It's doable.
To 10,000.
It's doable.
How?
Aha. Say the medical canon. Share the financing model of the club. Say the obesity generating revenue. Say the medical can for board of directors in Ediba. A bit is a fabu census. It's a fabu census here robust every year. Be for fabu census amount of security generating a club.
It's a way of calculation. I only so big.
So say who qualify group stage confederation will be $400,000.
$400K.
Champions League will be $700,000. What do you say? Be what budget? What can you 2-3 players be a strong? Maybe away what on 100,000, maybe a 150, 150, maybe away what on 100,000, bear 450, maybe a $350,000. Funny couple African who do group stage of Champions League will be $700,000.
Yes. Yeah, Obinya. It's all just 700,000. So it's a good business.
What you say? Oh yeah, obesa nyebi afeno obo African no players no profile ne dey. Ekosoro. Ebia na wudi no kra no ebinu anya national team call. Nti afa bedu maybe club team for 200,000. Ebedu o should be 2 million, $2.5 million.
Ansa na wa ma de ko.
Yes, ebedu
maybe Europe.
That's it. Some medical catch up. Me say Abetamu say.
Why mistake oh?
Yeah, me I told you. Me say
Abetamu. Me can know yes a video no.
Me catch up say Abetamu say me Abetamu.
Menko.
Club be a be free Africa be a menko.
Kai sa video.
No matter how sky will be a chain. Because education e ban say
Black Star chance.
Black Star call up ke beti nyaba. So imagine Abetamu a wo Kotoko. If you want free Africa kwa Black Star mere Black Star call up no so e shoot value.
Yeah.
And there you understand.
Too value.
Libya clubs ne those no.
Omo fan hu.
Okoya.
2-3 months.
Maybe we got 2-3 years.
Asebo Awal de bia o ka kire play. Ade dro munti. Aya na nipa suba aya nipa suba ho. Opeso o experience no.
Obeka se bia say ha ne ye nhye den tiam. Bia okon ma.
Awal sa asebo no me set records ni. Yes enyen. Ghana Kotoko place no mo jiska o. 7,000, 8,000, never do.
The woman said, footballing standard is very poor.
Poor there.
Footballing standard. She said no. Football now got to the extent of ye football ye. What you say? Nti amount for be ye football ye.
More and football.
Yeah, no respective football. And then bring sa titi adwene da so ye we ho. Ye koboke we so be a display. No the ababa shepo mu. Yeah, like ya tra ho.
Is it scientific? No.
Football is.
Then I say like scientific.
Any business. Yet we don't respect football. For you to make sure it's a football be, but the business aspect the and oko clubs ni bi o Europa. Na say Black Star class see omo ye. Yeah, for coaches to the set of your first set pieces coach.
Yes, set pieces coach. A very important. So it has become too scientific, too technical.
Oko yes. Fanizebia, it says even no can say Kotoko na omo video analyst.
Wa unua da no ye ka say nke be agenda me afa no ya ntehwe. Why na ka say new team but and I'm saying strikers na
football is now scientific. And now omo ye football here. Ya for be say you find a performance analyst.
What you say?
Performance analyst. Adia o him say bia
analyze
or performance. Ebia first now we create say. Ebia first we ma get akosoro. Improve. Ebia psychological thing na o he. Yeah, help performance.
What you say?
Thing na monitor. Any esa wo bi onu say for the data analyst.
Yes, data.
O here.
Every single data bia.
O ball no pass send or ultimate tackle send na o here. Interception send na o here. This a bibi touch ma fe no achew no chechu mumu.
Yeah, we are falling short.
Ni na na e ma coach adwuma dey.
Eye mre.
But you know, yeah, that's what it is.
Nah, yeah, them go coons, yeah, she coons. Yeah.
And your courses are intimate. Let me tell you, the Herbert Mensah team are mobile final in 2002. I'm on for the say shall see building team in 1999.
99, buy no co SSS or causes
Because now Gordina Blade team no. Glad Gordina Blade from 98 when you know about Kotoko. Or about free second 11 wise. Ebe join here. Afei na sila lasa moaba, na Emba moaba, na India moaba. Na Stephen Oduro moaba, Pasi moaba, no ka Isaac Osuninja. Oh, nyina ba. So Honorable Aziz Ansah, the late Godfrey Yeboah. By 2002, okay, say Kotoko team no. Here no Kotoko use 3 coaches.
Rabzundik by
Medindop, Ian Potterville, Rabzundik. But as I said, teamwork ne e wo no come.
The signature of the team, the core of the team was there. The core of the team was there. And the coach no umre. Yes.
Emmanuel Osekufo Abodwafs.
20 years ago, near yes I do.
Emmanuel Osekufo Abodwafs. Ako Has. Aba Kotoko. Ako Goface. Ajimandua ni Kotoko ball final. Africa 93. 97 no ni Goface above final. 2000 no ni Has above final. Dear natural. Consistency.
Yeah.
And that is why we do if you want to go to Africa. That is what we do. Mamin Kyle, me say Bashir here for team now building. Daniel Nia, Jordan Opoko, ni Bekwene. If that team had 3 or 4 years, I bet you can beat in Africa.
Who beats me? Who beats me?
It's our team no tonche. Sony Akuba mu team now.
Yeah,
on Maxwell the likes of Kwame Bonsu Conti, Sena no. Gani umone Ajimambelu Spintoza Amos Mpone Augustine Stefani Felix. If that team had 3 or 4 years, at least confederation they can do something.
A consistency.
TNA Kotoko J League 2022 year, just 3 years ago. 2022 year. None of the members in the G League ne Kotoko Sisi.
A problem.
Mudasiru Salif mo G League na say
Bako Kreni
Barak Yusuf mo guest in Japan.
Bako Kreni
Imoro mo. Oh, Richard Bodu Agadas mo. Mbela mo nene mfege mo.
Bako Kreni.
Samuel Boati Okocha mo. Bako Kreni o Maxwell Ajima Akito mo. Bako Kreni o. Dalad Razak Abalura. Nti how do you build a team? Yes, sorry, I see a person for Africa. Ubetimi she enna work captain no. Ko any profile o through base 6 years for club no.
Wabache.
So you see if players in be almost any say be almost players be no timi call, but there are some call be almost timi che.
At least back mienu miensa omudasu wo.
Nti omo more experience. Oh, yes. Africa a coach
see it. But with the 2022 yeah, none. Your problem can see about no.
So
you come back to the structure.
The sikasem no. Afi what's about be help more ye football. Na onim ni asa ade a isaye ya. Kotoko supporters mo na money abre o. Mo na money abre se mo pese team ni ye o. Pay for mo dem ni mo na
yeah, na akoma wo mu.
Yes.
But
reality check on what you pay for. Omo running football na sika ni nti sika bia bebe bia
o mo je untimi mbleme o mo se tame ka na na oboka nti kakra ba untimi san ko sun eze mihia we.
So I don't know a structural difficulties. We need structural changes. As I say, you have to need extra 3 points.
With a professional touch.
Money football no professionally. Now more players can ye.
The biggest institution as far as football is concerned in Ghana. Yeah. Because we now you go near the amount.
That's it. Me say I was reading through one thing. When you say younger ball Africa 2 years ago CAF Confederations from the prelims in omo ko do final. Omo say omo year calculation. Gate proceeds buying over $800,000.
Wow.
Gate proceeds
in the course of the competition. Yes. Wow, this is huge. $500,000.
$800,000.
Almost $1 million.
Yes.
so ad nkofo no so omaye omnyoma
That's
yo omo bobo a stadium aye ma sa yanga for no
say o dey nam streets
omo template ne ye enkusua bi
na template no
eno omo the talent scientific and the business ne ye adwuma
omo akosua de
omo
akosua de omo CEO akola liga any
akosua template no
aba
yetiana juju
na de bia ye sprinkle niema egupo mu eno e fa ho ben nti if we are not ready to go the scientific way, the business way, we should forget.
Yeah,
oh yeah, that's it.
Ebeye say ya.
Drawing board in ebe koso aba. Ya paper, you prepare drawing boards.
Drawing board, you prepare. Let's go back to the drawing board.
So the team is about structural challenges.
Already nkofo bi yo mo de
plan. Na tie Kobo League. Na Kotoko ono ne matches do na eba TV. Ni ese no 1 million Ghana cedis. Na younger apostle on maybe an match ba kukura ma TV no se ema no 1 million.
Sa semu e okoka.
Kotoko has you must flex your muscles.
Yes.
Mo yesa mo chesa mo na more numbers.
Any one penny for.
Say Nanzania La Liga, say no more say de Barca and Villarreal, Echo Miami. Real Madrid so mo penny. Game na maso
penny for.
But ye ko to about GFA. Obeti ye say club need decision. You see we what to about ha. We so to about kwa. Need a club na nkasa mo ni stance.
Omo ni stand.
And omo share football no. Masa ye football na envo omo ho.
Omo ye okay.
Ni omo ni omo benye free football.
Omo to. That's it. Omo to. So mo de omo land quiz omo to omo.
Say be call worker. About 20 I promise you omo say be call worker.
Hi, sa de no mu de hunu amafo okromu a.
Yes
Na
Kotoko ha sense atina ho ama
no man say
ma essay football koso.
No man say
your football no dey e betimi aye my friend.
And one kind of talent, scientific and business ni yen kambum ni enye. It is possible.
Me say among focus yes local football apart from Ghana for empebo biom. And yes Ghana for
empebo.
Argentina eba Black Stars match at Stadium Bomber. By local liga.
Obi
Die na ekyerɛw. Ekyerɛw say a local league ni enye ni ye. And ironically unim me say around before the late 90s early 2000s. So now it was the other way around. Now Black Stars batch mom na man fon ko he. But local league dey man fon
because 2000 Kotoko has.
Yes.
2000 Kotoko Bofo. 2000 Kotoko has go.
Yes.
2000 Kotoko Kimfesa.
Yes.
By your Bob Blaster obi ante.
Man fon. But say I did not
attend. Because of business, scientific and
onye football.
What you say Blaster no in the business scientific. They say omo coach.
Black Stars no say no.
The biggest product are phone
di. Eno na omo de be ko aban ho. Aban ehonum so na aban so diska beba.
Omo ye ni ye.
Ehonum na aban diska beba.
Omo ye ni ye.
Now corporate institutions they don't have interest in our league.
Yeah.
Na ti o Kamagan be ko asempa. Ni abisa na say ade na on invest. O say chacha no doso. Nti ye boy liga ye ni credible winner. Ye ni credible winner because you matches do say like
I have fixed.
Sensemo
I fixed. Sha.
Nti ye be kwa Africa na ye den ye be kwa kogu ye ni mase.
Yeah. So unya we do.
Kotoko ni Golden Kicks FA Cup you know. Dubious refereeing decision.
Too bad.
They have Kotoko. Now Kotoko ko Africa. They been exposed.
And uncle for no if for no go stars for no so. He dubious we omo dey Ghana league no. Obekwa kogu ani mas.
Like ye ni credible now say ye timi bobo Ghana Premier League. No be dia kwa to ni Facebook so say game we e be 3-2.
Ne aye
obi be she 2 goals. Adena na asa akwato aso say.
Hey, Ghana.
Now we investor e bia obi MTN. Na obi e bia Airtel Tigo. E bia obi corporate now say on first commission. Na dey na ekoba ni say bia share entertainment na omo ye. Share Ghana Music Award.
Yeah.
Dey no more sponsors. Meanwhile, I say football is the passion of the nation. The football should be about football need any sponsorship.
And also na nka we na we ni ya.
Oni mat ade asa haye. Eno na mpese me di.
Fe wie na yonko.
Say football no. Place na nka leftovers.
Say.
Substandard players.
Omo bono. Ah.
Mami nche oni wu. First no omo ni mbopa no mutimi rise be boy Premier League.
They are 10.
But say no omo ni mbopa no omo kwa brotin tem.
Yeah, omo free system.
When was the last time Ghana League any player bit say caliber bit say Charles Taylor?
Yeah.
Like obi abejibo atini pa be miensa nan. Fatah Isako nebe ye niema kakra bi enu kwa wanche.
So the league is not a pinnacle again.
That's it.
Enti unya obi oye exceptional na
contem. Enu kra kire the reason why say we current Black Stars now we roll call mu saying about Ghana Premier League. Unya nipa e blue 5.
Yeah. That's a problem.
So and also they take back the structures, no. Make sure so when you scout or money number, or money pop.
So you recruit them into the league.
Recruit them into the team. Let them play or 17 money more 5 years. Yeah. By the time already 22.
Yes. These are knowledge. Nimdie.
Way in
three aspects.
But yen paying for no yen say ye be ya dini yenti ade ne de be kwaso ato aso sa e be di awrewo sa
wa musumon kan sa bia wande o metie ye wo kan de be so
obi anya ready so beti obi anya na de so beti yen football no before say be ye no yenti ase say it needs massive investment. And yenya professionals, omo football, omo professionals. Club officials, ni bebre omo nya professionals. Ebi okra passport ko omo ni, omo ntu kwan da. Ti bedena do GFA, ye koto aba, ya omo pejanensa. Because onim say e be ko America e de passport.
Onim de oil.
So ye making sure say omo yenya obi o ye business minded da, or ye corporate person. Sika. Better than GFA, I promise you, say
and these CEOs must also be professionals. They say they all can.
Any standard.
Where did the club that is where CEO?
Yeah, no. Yes, you will be a CEO or a management member. So in football, say be ye dear. Take it time. But time no. That is when.
When? That's the biggest question.
When?
That's the biggest question.
And only ask him no. When him say, not every decade be a Kotoko final in Africa.
Sure.
Yes.
Wow.
Till the last decade in Chemu. Not every decade be a Kotoko final in Africa.
Every 10 years.
Yes. 60s Yehubi, 70s Yehubi, 80s Yehubi, 90s Yehubi, 2000s from 2000 to 2009 Yehubi.
Yeah, and
what has changed?
2010 Banade.
What has changed?
Ajegon. Awade, a man hear me and say, Asama okay, you know, we're in the past. Moving forward, we are growing, we are developing. Yet, I feel you're quench.
They be like
because no man koso. How can say this time nanka o ye na why in ya? Baby, can you do it better?
And then oh yeah, football in Central, I saw Tanzanians back young Ghanaian media my babe boa. One of them was telling me say. They are benefiting from stadium football now.
They are benefiting. Yeah, because there are bars around it.
Yes, or they are creating content. Like they travel around.
Wow, you made a very good point.
And
the football economy,
and
the ecosystem, all benefiting.
And Tanzania, Aqua or 15, 17. Every year, or you are assured of say Al Alibi, Ama, work be beba.
Because of
Raja be beba.
Because of my,
yes, because some of them be a team said but first near how? Near but say work Ama, Ali beba, ebi a Raja beba, ebi a Esperance beba. Because first na ye clubs na dey participate in Africa. But say ya Kotiada. And then you qualify group stage and you bossy. You would have say first, we were challenging, we were winning. If you know a couple game, no, never. Oh, your bumpy say you concede this. Now has supporters. Oh,
Eh.
yeah. Oh, most imon on my 6.
Yeah,
What was baby I didn't call. Not as yeah, say why good any mass? Why any man grass?
Video created no.
Forgetting say half of folk were defeating Esperance home.
Esperance.
Forgetting say Alice were being handled by Kotoko.
What you say?
The works were being handled by Kotoko back in the days.
Oh.
And they tear down as I say. You know, Koji and Guasin and so be a heard him say, why not good anymore said do.
Yeah.
So these are the problems. Unless we change our mentality.
Mentality.
But near Yana say, send a medical card, near Yana say, Yan near Brisbane Bibian Kuyu.
But more down no sway. And form home. That
is the main problem.
Yes, more video so more share video, more share video.
More than you know, and for more.
And near brain.
Because we will be a Ghana football anymore. And then the recent result of Ghanaian clubs in Africa, it calls for concern.
Yeah, very, very.
As I say, show before. Say, Omo Alaji MND Jaula na battle more time no. E wanya mecha mo more time no na signing go say NC. Ade na mo bresu na ede. NC.
You must be concerned.
So ask yourself. Recently, the posters Kotoko Flagstaff House, Omukoshia or Mampenyi. He told them, "Osi first also no 70s."
Yeah,
Kotoko by any tibium. So now, Oko Africa, overcome Mampenyi also most. We go to the mama, Scanamo Kosheno. And Mampenyi so all trying his own small way say, "You be my football a day."
Because the football economy, our can.
Yeah, we said we can. Yenti football economy.
Yenti football economy, I say, it's huge.
Football is a whole economy on its own.
Big.
The Brazilian nation is benefiting hugely from
football economy. The football ecosystem.
And then Kotoko, now there was some day I passed around Asafo. Moonlight. Now me could do TZ. Maybe I would turn TZ. And one of the ladies I was on catch him so say no. Kotoko game on who amount. But first say be as a Kotoko Africa. On bomba.
Hey.
Also within short time no more dia na ankasasa.
Akomko.
But me do bear for no munyampo. But first no Kotoko game by 1:30 2:30. Omoto omodia na asa.
Obi abeba bedidi.
Enter the bus, beton parafilene, beton
the football economy.
It's huge. By any anti-football, see. And then I'm street, Nikobisa boys.
Why not dream of foreign?
Turn foreign because foreign no money. Jude Bellingham, ne Pedri, no money, ne name, a money Messi, ne money Mbappe. No more.
I might dream of foreign.
Only local play.
But I was like a local place and come Ben would know. Now you
first, no. Among for Echo sorry, Echo Park, Echo Joe Debra, Echo Sheshamukwe.
You have the chance to
Echo Joe Debra, Echo Sheshamukwe, Echo Shechas Taylor, Echo Stephen Odru. By a player, Ben Okohem.
Why not go in there? Why not go in?
Yeah, Yan said, you're paying for an Cassadi.
Or more in charge, you know, and shut down for
in your priority.
And a fancy night, choka. If Fred Nako to Kufrimoko various WhatsApp platforms, who do jai? Fancy no choka because a penny no what dakra. And shut down fan was that.
Before say you need a bit take time.
A bit take time. So these key threats and the 1 year Siano, I had the 3 aspects of football, no, talent, scientific,
business,
and the business. I dream no our talent. No talent no cry in developing ye. Yeah, talent there was with the mobile for no copper.
Yes, send coaches, Papa.
Yes. Any coaches, Papa. Football is scientific. What's a scientific and a supported talent?
That's it.
If you want to develop a good talent, you need to be scientific about it.
I didn't say scientific have a boy talent now. Didn't Benyama after business.
Business
now you begin to reap what you.
Yeah, oh the jiska. I simple. And I born a tough our hand. As I take Kotoko management. Penny for a moment, share more. Yes, Ramo. And see, we know restructure and I was here. And
yeah, club need here restructure.
Here restructure.
Because
football, Kotoko no esu.
It's super.
Kotoko no a gold mine. A gold mine who do. To say the whole can as a moonlight. Ecosystem ni huge. We have Tanzania small young and the same bamo yena. amanfo timi tu kwan ba Ghana so we content creator football nti or they earn a living na Kotoko aye bigger Africa hefa na enko uru ya dase and almost La Liga classic nti uru enko that's it